Welcome back to Jyoti Hydroponics. It's just a request to everybody to hit the like button, as this gesture really helps us to spread knowledge of agriculture. So just this support is required from all our viewers. Today we will be discussing drawbacks of hydroponics and its solution. The first one is high yields, higher costs. Delve into the upfront expenses involved in setting up hydroponic systems, including equipments like pumps, reservoirs, fan, nutrient solutions, etc., which can be reduced by assembling the material from different suppliers. And make sure you blend the nutrient solution yourself and forget about the pre-blended solutions to minimize the running cost to traditional farming. Second one is Hydroponics 101, the learning curve of technical know-how. Explore the need for growers to acquire technical knowledge about pH levels, nutrient concentrations, and plant care techniques to effectively manage hydroponic systems. Therefore, emphasize the learning curve that beginners may face. Third one is system glitches, navigating the risk of hydroponic farming. Discuss the potential risks associated with mechanical failures, power outages, and issues such as clogged irrigation lines or nutrient imbalances in hydroponic systems, where nutrient flow is taken under consideration and management becomes very difficult here. But if you replace your system with grow bags filled with soilless substrate and watering plants only when plants need it, then lot of hassle is overtaken by this method and makes the grower's management part very easy, because you need not to monitor the pH, EC, TDS on regular basis. Highlight the importance of prompt troubleshooting to prevent crop losses. Fourth one is pathogens unleashed, disease management in soilless systems. Examine the increased risk of diseases spread in hydroponic systems due to the absence of soil as natural barrier. Discuss common pathogens such as root rot, powdery mildew, etc., and the importance of sanitation protocols to prevent infections. So make sure growers use organic pesticides, fungicides, bactericides, and weedicides every 10 days as a precaution from first day to last day of harvest, as precaution is always better than cure. We will end this session here and continue in the next part with another 3 drawbacks and its solution. Till then, goodbye, happy farming, and have a nice day.